In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Iris accounting software as a complete beginner. We'll go through the basics workflow, including setting up your company, managing customers and suppliers, and everything else. Of course, if you don't know, Iris Accounting is a cloud-based accounting solution designed for businesses and accountants. It helps you manage your finances by handling sales, purchases, bank transactions, VIT, reporting, and financial records from a single platform. So the first thing that you would like to do, open your browser and sign in to an Iris account. So go to the Iris website, and if you don't have an account, if you are just creating your account, you'll have to go to accountancy and click on Iris Elements as example. And from here, you'll be able to sign up for a free trial. Click on that, and once you do so, you'll have to choose the Iris Elements products for your free trial. So what do you want exactly? As you can see, you can choose everything, and or you can just choose the thing that you want. It's up to you to choose whatever you want. After that, you'll have to enter your email, your first name, your last name, business size, and business cell phone number, and a business postcode. Once you enter your postcode, click on find address and click on it. If you can't, you'll have to click on enter business address manually. And once you do so, you'll have to enter at least the address line 1 and city and town, postcode, and country. Other things are only optional. You can check this option if you would like to hear about the latest Iris products, offers, and events from Iris, if you want to receive emails from them. If you don't want to, you can just go and leave it unchecked and check that you are a human. Once you're done filling up your information, selecting what you want, click on submit, and they will send you an email like this one. Of course, you'll find yourself that you're a few clicks away from unlocking Iris Elements account, so all you need to do, just go and click on activate your account. Once you do so, they will open a new tab normally, and they will ask you to set up a new password. So once you set that up, you'll find yourself, normally you will start from this area. Let me just show you exactly where you're starting from. So you'll find yourself at the applications right away, Rose Marketplace, and yeah, you'll either find yourself on this page or you'll find it on another way where you can basically find applications that you want. So for you, you will have to click on dashboard itself. You may find as example yourself here exactly as well. So all you need to do, just go back to this browsing example. You can find other things, or you want to get to the dashboard, of course, here, if you want, you can first of all check the free trial available applications, and you'll find here, of course, many applications if you want to use any of those. Of course, those like Iris Element Tax will let you do the MTD ready, seamless integrated, personal tax, partnership. So here are some applications that will help you, as example, on your Iris if you want them. So it's totally up to you. So you can go back as example to the marketplace. So you can clear filters and you can basically here check all the apps that you want. So to go back to the dashboard, just click as example here on the Iris Elements icon. And once you click on it, you'll find yourself here. So from here, you can either click on your account and many other things, or so let's just click first of all on our account, and we'll find ourselves on the dashboard. So here you'll find your everything. So active subscriptions, imported applications, users groups, and here you can manage users and everything. So you can invite staff members to help you manage your commerce operations from here, as you can see. You'll just have to, or you'll need just their first name, last name, and email, and the role that you're going to give. Like you're going to give them a billing admin or company admin or some simple user. And for the password, you can set or let it set it up by the user or none, which is user cannot log in. You can also import a bulk email CSV file if you have multiple users to be added. So if you click on it, as you can see, you'll have to download the user list.csv. And all you need to do, let me just go and open it up. All you need to do, just basically paste your company's info on the CSV that they are going to give you. So as an example, this is what they are going to give you. So all you need to do from here, or all you need to do from here basically, is just change those details by your users. And once you do so, just go and choose the file and upload it back to Iris, and all your users should be added here. From here, you can set up your role, basically permission. And of course, you can see all the users from here. You can click on that user and you can give it whatever you want. So for me, as an example, I'm the only user here, company admin. Normally, you can click on users and give them a billing admin, a company admin as well, or just a normal user. You can assign users to roles from here, so multiple users, and you can use those filters, as an example, to basically browse through the users, specifically if you have a lot. So going back now to the dashboard here, again, you'll be able to see all the users and users group and everything else that you have. On the left here, you do have some quick links to view recent invoices, view recent payments, access your application, manage subscription, and manage the company profile. Here also, you will find any recent event that you have. And of course, since if you just started your free trial, you'll find nothing per default. But if you find or if you've done some new things, you can click on refresh widgets and it should show you anything recent. Before you do anything, it's important to go to the company settings as example. And here you can change the company name if you want to, and you can choose the purchase behavior. So all company employees can buy or only company and billing admins can buy if you want to limit that. For the billing, as an example, let me just go to that. Here you will find all your invoices, your payments, and payments methods. And of course, you'll be able to download. Also, here you can add, first of all, your debits and credits card or your bank account. From the payments, as an example, you can download the CSVs of your payments. And of course, the same will be for invoices. You can find all your invoices here. And if you find any invoice, you'll be able to buy it. Here for assign apps, you can assign applications example. So you can select a user from this list on the left to manage application assignments and assign basically those apps to users or assign users to apps. If you want to assign apps to users, you'll be able to do it here through the or depending on the apps that you have. This is for the users. If you do have some groups, as example, you can assign groups to apps or apps to groups. So the same. Here again, you will find all the lists of the users that you have. You can basically invite user from here. So you can add, as example, multiple users if you're not going to use the CSV file. You can upload the email list as shown before. And from here, you can basically add multiple users if you want to. Give it the role that you want and send the invitations. You can also add or create groups and add many users or as many users as you want to the groups. And here, basically, you can just give roles, as we said before, to any. So that's basically it. Here, as you can see, the quick links is just things that you can access or that we showed you before. And the last thing is basically this application, basically the marketplace. So you can browse the marketplace to get any application that you want, specifically the application for accounting that you want to include. So other than that, let me just go back as an example. Here you may find as an example, or you'll find your saved orders and also your quotes as well. So this is all that you need basically to have access to your account. You can find, as example, other things like your company, like AML, productivity tax, company administration, and accounts production. But this is mostly what you'll need to know on the dashboard of Iris. Of course, once you're done or once you're finished, all you need to do just go and click on the logout option. Or if you find your, as example, icon like that, you will click on it and click on logout. So once you do so, close your browser if you're using a shared computer. Logout helps keep your financial data secure and you should be good to go. So that's how you use the Iris accounting software as a beginner. You now know how to manage through it very simply. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.